Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So open your TikTok app and open your profile and tap on the three-line icon to the upper right hand corner of the screen and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy, scroll down and here you'll find profile view, so tap on that and all you have to need toggle on this option and see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow other people to see that you viewed theirs. After doing that, open your profile again and tap on this eye icon and here you will see who viewed your TikTok profile. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.